Ready to hit the Texas roads. Discover the ultimate guide to obtaining your Texas driver's license with ease, from necessary documents to insider tips. We've got you covered. Don't let the process overwhelm you. Let's simplify it together. Click now to drive your dreams. So, hello everyone, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to get Texas driver's license. In this video, we will explore how to obtain your Texas driver's license online. We'll cover the key steps, important resources, and tips to make the process as smooth as possible. Whether you are a new driver or moving to Texas, I've got you covered. Let's get started. The first step that you have to do is just open your browser and dive into aceable.com. This is the homepage, as you can see. So here we have online drivers ed course. So aceable.com provides online driver education courses for teens and adults, focusing on safe driving practices and traffic laws. The interactive content is accessible on mobile devices, allowing students to learn at their own pace. Completion leads to a certificate for obtaining a driver's license, making the process convenient and effective. So the first step, here we have online drivers ed courses in the middle of the website. You have just to select if you live in California, Florida, Georgia, Illinois, Nevada, and we have also here Ohio, Oklahoma, and then we have Texas. I will of course select Texas. Then you'll find other page, which is this one. Here we have firstly Texas drivers ed online. We have convenient 100% driving classes online on your own time. Then we have fun, like really fun load of videos, memes, and gifts. Then we have fast, get your permit after 6 hours. Then we have legit, take the official tests and application with a limited retreat. You have just to select if you are teens drivers ed or adults drivers ed. So what is the difference between this? I will just scroll down and you'll find here our Texas drivers ed courses. The first one is between 14 and 17 years old, and we have here Texas parent taught drivers ed. Firstly, the option that we have in the first package, drive confidently with our TDLR approved course. Then we have earn your permit from any device anywhere, and over 2 million families trust us able to graduate safe drivers. So, and then you have to pay $75. You have just to click over our enroll now, and you find other page which we have other details about this package. Then about the second one, it's for teenagers plus 18 years old. So we have Texas adult drivers 80. So we have here plus 200 free DPS exam practice questions. We make sure you ace the test. Then we have fast same day certificate of completion delivery. Then we have 1 free month of all state roadside services, and you have to pay $39, or let's just say $40 per month. $4 for this package, sorry. Then you have just to click over enroll now. About the first one, if I select the first one, we will find other page, which is this one. We have here get Texas parent taught drivers 80 with 1 free month of all state roadside services, and we have $5 per month after trial, cancel anytime. And you have just to click over claim promo, and you have just to create your account. You have to add your student first name, your student email address, your confirmed student email address, and your student password. Then you will just pay here, and you have just to click over I have read and agree to the terms, and I will click over continue, and you get started with this one. Then we have the second one, which is this one. You have just to read this information, and you click over course only, and then you click over claim discount, and you have to add this such as payment or information. Then you click over continue. All right, so you have just select if you want firstly courses or only, or claim promo as well. All right, so this is for this one. You have just to select the package that you want, then you get started with it. So aceable.com provides online driver education courses for teens and adults, focusing on safe driving practices and traffic laws. The interactive content is accessible on mobile devices, allowing students to learn at their own pace. Completion leads to a certificate for obtaining a driver's license, making the process convenient and effective. So this is for this one. And right now, let's move into the next one, which is the Texas Department of Public Safety. So, Texas Department of Public Safety, or DPS, oversees driver licensing and vehicle registration in Texas. It administers the state's driver education programs, conducts driving tests, and issues driver's licenses and identification cards. The DPS also enforces traffic laws and promotes safe driving practices to enhance road safety for all Texans. So, right now you have just to select driver license and IDs, or you can just scroll down and you select here the option of driver license. I will click over driver license and you will find other page, which is this one. Or you have just to select the one you want, if you want assistance for people with disabilities, or your appointment scheduling system, or the last one, which is security incident. If we select the first one, we will find other page, which is this one. You have just to read this information, then you have to link your information such as first name, last name, date of birth, TX, driver license or ID number, home address, city, state, zip code, daytime phone. Then we have also here alternate phone, email address, driver license, office you want to visit. Then we have ADA accommodation. Then we have also ADA accommodation needed. Then we have also here question request. Then I will click over submit form as well. All right. Or you can select the second one, which is no appointment scheduling system. About this one, we have here driver license services appointments. You have just to read this information. Once you read this information, you have just to click over schedule a driver license appointment, and you will find this. You have just to select the language that you want, if it's Espanol or is it English. I will select English, of course. Then I will add this information. So you have, please complete the fields below, such as your Texas card number. Then we have your first name, your last name, your date of birth. Then we have last four of SSN, and then you click over log on. So this is for the second one. Then we have the last one, which is security incident. Once you select this one, you will find here DL security incident with various information about this option. So we have just to select if you want the Chinese language, it's a PDF as you can see, or Japanese language, Korean language, or Vietnamese language. Alright, so this is how you can get started and you get to a driver license efficiently. Alright, so this is how it works with those websites to get your license driver. Alright. So thanks for watching. Now you have two tools and knowledge to navigate the process of getting your Texas driver's license online. Remember to check the official resources we discussed and stay organized with your documents. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips, safe driving, and good luck on your licensing journey. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.